This is a mechanical dog named GaN. It comes from the Gravity Planet, 65 watt, with a gallium nitride charging head. When it's working, its eyes light up, giving a lively and amusing feeling. GaN's head is equipped with 3 charging interfaces, a design that not only saves space, but also facilitates charging for desktop devices. Moreover, its plugs can be folded, making it even more convenient when not in use. In addition to its charging functionality, GaN's other joints can move flexibly, providing more fun and interactivity. Placing it on the desktop is extremely suitable, with its adorable appearance and multifunctional design. Would you fall in love with this little GaN at first sight?